This installation is for a 10-foot diameter by 20-foot tall tank filled with caustic acid. Therefore, the jacketing needs to be chemical resistant. Our client chose FibaClad over stainless steel due to its chemical resistance and ease of installation. Once FTI was told the parameters of the system, 1-inch insulation with heat tracing and the dimensions of the tank, FTI was able to design and prefabricate sidewall panels and a 2-to-1 elliptical tank head for the project. All of the jacketing, sidewalls, and tank head was shipped on 2 pallets to the job site. Included with the purchase of this system is the following: sidewall panels, preformed to fit the curvature of the tank, gores for the tank head, preformed to meet the 2-to-1 elliptical curvature. Each gore will extend 6 inches beyond the tangent line onto the sidewall. 1 extra gore is included. Center rings for the top of the tank and beauty rings for the sidewall of tank. Slit fiber roll for flashing penetrations. FibaBond adhesive. Once the insulation has been installed, the FibaClad tank panel system goes on very similar to metal. You will need the following tools: square, aviator snips, band tensioner, Sharpie or marking pen, caulk gun, FibaBond adhesive, electric nibbler, drill, compass, metal shears, wire cutter, measuring tape. Begin by installing bungee cords around the bottom area of the tank to hold the FibaClad panel in place. Using standard aviator clips, measure and cut out for any penetrations in the panel. If mistakes are made, use the fiber roll as a seal to cover the error and fill in with FibaBond. There should be at least a 2-inch overlap from panel to panel. In this 2-inch overlap, we will install the FibaBond adhesive to secure the panels in place. You can also apply FibaBond to the craft paper as an additional securement method. Continue with the process of installing the FibaClad sidewall panels, making sure the banding stays on for at least 3 hours to cure the adhesive, and that a 2-inch overlap occurs between panels and layers of panel. Please note that as the lower sections of the tank get cured, the banding is removed and used on the upper layers. The tank head is already molded to fit a 2-to-1 elliptical with 1-inch insulation. On this 10-foot diameter tank, we used 14 gores to cover the tank head. Start by installing the fiber roll center ring into position. Each FibaClad tank head gore is notched with a center line and an overlap, so once the center line has been determined, all you need to do is line up the notches and move around the diameter. When the overlap notches meet, you are assured of a proper overlap to install the FibaBond adhesive. Measure for your cutouts and install accordingly, making sure the notches overlap at the seam. Notice how the curve at the knuckle lays perfectly flat against the sidewall. Once all of the joints have been sealed and properly caulked, then install the FibaClad center ring at the top of the head to ensure a watershed, and install the beauty ring on the sidewalls if needed. The time to install this tank with a contractor with little experience was 1.5 days.